what kinds of really big long-term structural changes are going to be produced by this crisis. Because one thing that may happen, one thing that happens in the history of pandemics is that basic social changes are driven by such things. So in other words, a movement towards a much broader use of distance learning may actually be greatly accelerated by what has happened and what is happening right now over the course of this crisis. So there's just all kinds of really interesting questions. For law schools, these questions are interesting in the Chinese proverb sense of interesting, right? Which is, the curse of may you live in interesting times. I would not want to be a law school dean right now. A lot of budgets are teetering on the brink already, and what may happen in the fall could push a lot of people over. So, we in legal academia right now are just extremely uncertain about how things are going to shake out.
Yeah, no, I think everyone's uncertain right now, but law schools have special reason to be concerned because they have all this overhead based on a physical location. That new student center they just invested millions in may be worth almost nothing if students can't enjoy it. And students may not place a lot of value on that.
That's right. I mean, we, so many schools have built these very, very elaborate and sometimes extravagant physical plants, and if those are lying idle, that's going to be a big problem. And so, I, for one, have no idea what the fall is going to bring in this regard. It's just one question out of, so many in the context of this entire crisis. And I think, nobody can, all we can do is just make educated guesses as to how all this is going to shake out. But again, I will emphasize, I think there is the possibility for long-term structural changes of various kinds to end up getting driven by this crisis.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.